Hello guys, it's me again. All right, now that you've been busy rolling over lessons, looking at other teachers' lesson plans, copying lessons from previous teachers, and writing your own lessons, it's time for the next step, and that is to make sure your homework is getting into Renweb. So Renweb or FACS is where we put in our grades and attendance, things like that. It also has a lesson plan section. This is where parents access the homework if they want to see it. So curriculum track will export the homework automatically to Renweb once we do this next step. So when parents log in, they would be able to see your objectives and they'd be able to see your assignments for the week. So what that looks like from curriculum track, if you're looking at a lesson that you've written, and I'm just going to pick one, it doesn't really matter which one. Um, Parents will be able to see what goes into Renweb is anything in this first box, objectives, so it says facts there, and anything in your assignment box, it also says facts. Those two boxes will transfer to Renweb, and that's what parents will be able to see. None of the other boxes, assessments, procedures, materials, that won't be available for parents, but anything you put in objectives and assignments. And assignments is really the big one if there's a parent that is actually going to check the homework, which they may now that they have that fabulous Schofield app. There is a step we have to do to set it up to sync, and you have to do this every year in curriculum track to sync to the new year in Renweb. I'm going to send a second video for those of you that there are multiple teachers. So if you're sharing the lesson plan writing burden, so like one of you's writing Bible, one's writing spelling, one's writing math, or if there's multiple sections and you teach, like I think in just third through sixth, but for example, I teach fourth grade science to my class and Mrs. Hatfield's. So there's a couple other steps that we'll need to do for those that have multiple sections to make sure every class's parents are able to see the homework from those classes. Okay, but for everybody else, you're going to go to lessons and class section setup. You should be familiar with that. That's where you went when you first started to roll over your dates. That's where you had to go to add your classes before you could start copying lessons or writing lessons. So in class section setup, you should already have your classes for the year. What you're going to want to do on each of these subjects, you're going to have to do it for every subject that you teach. You're going to go to the edit, the little pencil, and then down here where it says Facts SIS class section, most of you will have a message here saying it's outside of the school year, and I'll show you that on someone else's in just a minute. What you want to do, so I'm in fourth grade Bible, I'm going to select for it to connect to fourth Bible in Facts, which is Renweb. So you're going to do that and save. You need to do that for every subject. Now let me show you what that will look like in someone who hasn't done it yet because you didn't know to do it. So if you go to Bible, it's going to say something like this: class ID, whatever that class ID is no longer in the default school year. So this is third grade Bible. So she's going to select 3 Bible A and save. And then she's going to do that for every subject. All of you need to do that for all of your subjects, otherwise it will not go into Renweb and parents won't have access to that. Now, it syncs every night, so if you wanted to check it when you just did it, you could click sync now, and that would move it all into Renweb. Normally, you don't have to click anything. As you write lesson plans each night, it syncs anything you have into Renweb. You just have to make sure you go into Edit and do all of these subjects and change the Facts SIS class section to, so see, this is like third homeroom. That would need to be changed to third science health. Okay, so you need to make sure the Facts SIS class section matches your course for every subject. Okay, again, those of you with multiple sections, I will be sending a second video to you as well on what to do to make sure every class gets every piece of homework.